Yo, what's up, y'all? Dave here, Seven Innovations. Y'all know me. If you don't know me, I'm in Harlan, Kentucky, and I'm developing a couple of businesses. I do a card thing, and I'm a tech by trade. Right now, I have found a microwave on the side of the road, okay? And basically, I was going to show you why I keep them, why I stopped and got it, okay? So I took the bottom off of this, and you see it's a Frigidaire microwave. It's a regular microwave that you see all the time, right? I took all the screws off the bottom, popped it off, and look here. Here's why I've done it, right? First off, be super careful here, guys. That's the first thing. What I'm gonna do, and this is, you know, it's been sitting outside for a week. I'm sure that it's fine, but you never know. So I've disconnected this whole thing. I'm gonna throw this outside. Don't need that part. At least not right now. I may find something to use it for later. I probably will, I'm sure. But anyway, this right here is the whole reason that I'm doing what I'm doing. Alright? Now let me show you. First off, don't just grab it, okay? That's the first thing. Alright. Make sure you're wearing a rubber glove, and make sure you're using something to grab it with, because this is very important, guys. These can hold charge for a very long time, and it can kill you. Yes, I said kill you. So don't just grab it, you know. Get something to discharge it with first, you know. And it's always best to, you know, use something that, you know, it's not gonna jam you up, you know what I'm saying? So, you can start here, rubber handle, and you see, all good. All good. Now this right here can also kill you. This holds, let's see, 2100 volts, no kidding. The microwave is literally nuclear, so be very careful, guys, okay? So anyway, as you see right here, this is the transformer. That's what we're after. Because guess what? I'm going to turn this transformer into a battery welder. Actually, I already have one that I'm using for a battery welder. That's this right here. See? What you do is you remove this top coil, and then you keep the bottom one, wrap your own wire around it, and you got yourself a spot welder. But you can also make it a sine wave inverter, or a step down or step up transformer, or you can make it an induction heater. You can do all kinds of things with these. I just thought I'd show you. That's the whole thing about being a rework engineer, upcycle engineer, however you want to call me. You know what I'm saying? I see value in things most people don't. Alright, Dave here, Seven Innovations, out.